Uterine prolapse is a serious post-parturient condition in cows where the uterus comes out through the vulva after calving. In early stages, the prolapsed uterus appears as a large reddish mass hanging outside the body. In some cases, improper suturing of the vaginal wall without proper cleaning or correction can worsen the condition. This leads to swelling, tissues, damage, and spread of infection to the surrounding perineal region. Over time, due to poor blood supply and severe infection, the tissues may become necrotic, resulting in gangrene.
In gangrenous mastitis, the affected tissue become dark, foul-smelling, and necrotic. The cow may show sign of pain, fever, loss of appetite, and weakness. This stage is very critical and require immediate veterinary intervention. If left untreated, it can lead to systemic infection and may become life-threatening. The first step is management through cleaning of the affected perineal region. The wound is carefully washed using normal saline to remove dirt, debris, and infected material. This helps reduce bacterial load and prepare the area for further treatment. Proper cleaning is essential and should be done gently to avoid further tissue damage. Daily wound cleaning is very important for recovery. Fly control must be maintained to prevent maggot formation for further infection. The affected area should be kept clean and dry at all time. Regular monitoring for fever or systemic infection is necessary to assess the animal condition. Supportive care, including proper nutrition and hydration, help in faster healing. Treatment include administration of broad-spectrum antibiotics such as ceftriaxone to control infection. Anti-inflammatory drugs like flunixin, meglumine are used to reduce pain and inflammation. Fluid therapy is provided if the animal is weak or dehydrated. Topical treatments such as Tropicure, spray or Navalon powder are applied to promote wound healing and prevent infection. With proper treatment and management, recovery is possible even in severe cases. This case highlighted the importance of early and proper management of uterine prolapse to prevent severe complications like gangrene. For more real veterinary case critical treatment guidance, subscribe the Nova Vet Care and stay connected with us.